So, in the previous class, we have discussed the basis of classification. The first basis of classification, that is notochord, and second basis, that is level of organization, first part. So today we are going to continue the second basis, which is considered for the classification of animals. And that second basis is level of organization. This L, level, this O, of, and this O, organization, level of organization. In the previous, we have completed considering the level of organization. The organisms are classified or grouped it into the different groups. The first group is cellular level of organization that we have completed first. Let's take a one overview. In cellular level of organism, cells are arranged as a loose cell aggregates like that. Cells are arranged as a loose cell aggregates 1, 2, 3, 4, and each cell is able to perform the physiological function, and that is the example is sponges. In sponges, cells are arranged as a loose cell aggregate. Single cell is able to perform the physiological function. इसलिए उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को हम कहते हैं सेलुलर लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इट मीन्स यहां पर सेल is able to perform the physiological function, and that is cellular level of organization. उसके बाद second level of organization is tissue level of organization. Tissue level of organization. उससे पहले आप सब लोगों को पता है कि our body is made up of cell group together to form tissue. Tissue group together to form organ, and organ connected to one another, they develop a organ system, and this organ system is able to perform the single function. Like in human being, there is a presence of excretory system for the excretion of nitrogenous waste, and this system is made up of kidney, urinary bladder, ureters, and urinary bladder, urethra, all that organs connected to one another and develop a organ system. Now, second level of organization is tissue level of organization. In tissue level of organization, what happens? Particularly coelenterate. What is present in coelenterate? In coelenterate, the cells group together, they form the tissue, or the performing cells performing same function, cells performing same function group together and produce the tissue, and that tissue is able to perform the physiological function. It means in coelenterate, the same cells, for example, this is one cell, this is second cell, this is third cell, this is fourth cell. First, second, third, fourth. If first and third is able to perform the same function, they come together, they group together, and they form the tissue. And the tissue is able to perform the function. And such type of organization is known as tissue level of organization. एग्जाम्पल कौन से फाइलम में होता है, कौन से मेंबर्स है? द मेंबर ऑफ सिलेंट्रेट्स हैव टिश्यू लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इसके बाद ये और कॉम्प्लेक्स होते जाता है, एंड देन थर्ड लेवल इज ऑर्गन लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ऑर्गन लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इट मीन्स टिश्यू ग्रुप टुगेदर, टिश्यू ग्रुप together and they form organ, and organ is able to perform the function. इसलिए दैट टाइप ऑफ लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज ऑर्गन लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। मतलब टिश्यू ग्रुप होते हैं एंड डेवलप द ऑर्गन एंड दैट ऑर्गन इज एबल टू परफॉर्म द फिजियोलॉजिकल फंक्शन एंड उसे हम कहते हैं ऑर्गन लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। जैसा कि कुछ ऑर्गेनिज्म फॉर एग्जांपल इन कॉकरोच Malpighian tubules are the excretory structure. This is particular organ. Do not have the system like that. So यहाँ का एग्जाम्पल कौन सा है? The member of Platyhelminthes. The member of Platyhelminthes have organ level of organization. उसके बाद का और कॉम्प्लेक्स नेचर बनता जाता है एंड दैट इज नोन एज ऑर्गन सिस्टम लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। ऑर्गन सिस्टम लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, it means the different organs, first organ, this is second organ, this is third organ, this is fourth organ, first they connected to one another and develop a system, and that system is able to perform the function. Such level of organization is called as organ system level of organization. कौन सा एग्जाम्पल है? तो एग्जाम्पल है हायर प्लांट, हायर एनिमल्स सच एज फ्रॉम annelida to chordates, annelida to chordates, they have organ system level of organization. Like we, different organs connected to one another, they develop the excretory system in human, and that excretory system is able to perform the single physiological function, and that single physiological function is excretion. So such type of level of organization is organ system level of organization. So हमने कंसिडर किया सेकंड बेसिस एंड दैट सेकंड बेसिस इज लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को अगर हमने कंसीडर किया तो कितने ग्रुप बने एनिमल्स के? फोर। फर्स्ट वन इज सेलुलर लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, single cell. Second one is the cell performing same function grouped together and perform the same function, tissue level of organization. Third one is tissues grouped together develop the organ, and that organ is able to perform the function, organ level of organization. And third one is organ connected to one another develop a system, and that system is able to perform the function, and that is organ system level of organization. So कितने ग्रुप बने? चार ग्रुप। आपको क्या याद रखना है? आपको याद रखना है सेलुलर लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एग्जाम्पल पॉरीफेरा स्पॉन्जेस। नेक्स्ट लेवल टिश्यू, एग्जाम्पल सिलेंड्रेट्स। थर्ड लेवल ऑर्गन, example platyhelminthes. And fourth is organ system from annelida to chordates. इसके पहले टेल फाइनम को कैसे याद रखना है, इसके लिए हमने एक फार्मूला बनाया था, दैट फार्मूला इज पी सी स्क्वेयर पी ए क्यूब एम ई एच, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट द सेकंड लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। इसके अलावा in some organisms the subsystems are considered. For example, we'll consider that system, for example digestive system, circulatory system, excretory system, इन सिस्टम को भी कंसिडर करके ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर फर्दर क्लासिफाइड। सो उसका एक एग्जांपल हमारे सिलेबस में है, एंड दैट एग्जांपल इज कि इन प्लैटीहेल्मिन्थेस, in platyhelminthes there is incomplete digestive system. What is there? In platyhelminthes there is incomplete digestive system. मतलब जैसे सिक्स बेसिक्स को कंसिडर किया गया है, उस तरीके से कुछ सिस्टम को भी कंसिडर किया गया है। उसमें से हमने लिया डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम। क्या कहा मैंने कि इन प्लैटीहेलमिन्थेस, दैट इज द वन फाइलम ऑफ किंगडम एनिमल, इन प्लैटीहेलमिन्थेस देयर इज इनकम्प्लीट डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम। इन ह्यूमन बीइंग अपने इसमें कौन सी सिस्टम है? वी हैव कंप्लीट डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम। ह्यूमन हैव कंप्लीट digestive system, whereas platyhelminthes have incomplete digestive system। इसका मतलब क्या है? Complete digestive system means the humans have two openings, two openings. One is mouth, and second one is anus. Therefore, we call कि in human being there are two separate openings. One is mouth and second one is the anus. इसलिए हम कहते हैं कि human have complete digestive system. But in some members of, but in platyhelminthes there is incomplete digestive system. इसका मतलब क्या है? It means कि there is only one opening. There is only one opening which opens outside। मतलब प्लैटीहेलमिन्थेस में एक ही ओपनिंग है जो बाहर खुलती है, ओपन होती है, एंड दैट ओपनिंग इज एक्ट एज बोथ माउथ एज वेल एज एनस। नो सेपरेट ओपनिंग, एक ही ओपनिंग दैट इज एक्ट एज mouth as well as anus. So such digestive system which having only one opening is incomplete digestive system, and that incomplete digestive system is present or found in platyhelminthes. That is first about digestive system. Second, circulatory system. Circulatory system. There are two types of circulatory system, and that is very common. कौन से? The first one is open type of circulatory system, and second one is closed circulatory system. Closed circulatory system का example understanding के लिए we have, humans have closed type of circulatory system. What it means? उसका मतलब क्या है कि closed circulatory system मतलब एक ही स्टेटमेंट में यहां पे लिखता हूं, blood never comes out, blood never comes out। अपने बॉडी में ब्लड बाहर नहीं आता है। दैट ब्लड पंप बाय द हार्ट फ्लोज थ्रू द सीरीज ऑफ वेसल्स। आर्टरी से जाता है, वेसल से जाता है, आर्टरी से जाता है, कैपिलरी से जाता है, एंड वेन्स से जाता है, बाहर नहीं आता। ब्लड नेवर कम्स आउट। दैट टाइप ऑफ सिस्टम इज नोन एज क्लोज टाइप ऑफ सर्कुलर सिस्टम। द बेस्ट नोन एग्जांपल इज ह्यूमंस, or higher organism have closed type of circulatory system। then question आता है कि what is open type? as in cockroaches, arthropoda, there is open type of circulatory system। it means blood pumped by heart। हार्ट जो ब्लड को पंप करता है, ब्लड पंप बाय हार्ट कहा जाता है? एंटर इट इनटू द कैविटी। एक कैविटी में जाता है, एंड उस कैविटी में जितने भी ऑर्गन्स है, दीज ऑर्गन्स आर कंप्लीटली बाथ। सपोज अगर एक कैविटी, दिस कैविटी में ऑर्गन 1 2 3 है, तो दीज ऑर्गन्स आर कंप्लीटली बाथ, एंड ड्यूरिंग दैट बाथिंग देयर इज exchange of respiratory gases takes place and exchange of nutrients takes place। such system, such circulatory system is known as open type of circulatory system। so we'll take the review कि considering digestive system, incomplete and complete digestive system, best known example is platyhelminthes or incomplete digestive system। second one is circulatory system, two system, open system and closed system। in open system, blood pumped by heart enter it into the cavity, and the organs which are present in the cavity are completely bathed, एंड ड्यूरिंग दैट बाथिंग दो चीजें होती है, कौन सी? एक्सचेंज ऑफ रेस्पिरेटरी गैसेस एंड सेकेंड वन इज एक्सचेंज ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स. Second one is closed. Closed matlab blood never comes out. So considering these, animals are classified. In the next class, in the next video, we learn the third basic, and that is body symmetry.